Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today, for the first time on my channel, I'm going to be unboxing the Ipsy Ultimate Box. Yay! So, I know. I said I probably wouldn't be, getting this Ipsy Ultimate Box because, for starters, it's a whopping $50 a month, which is a lot, and I shouldn't be talking about a lot because I subscribe to a lot of subscription boxes, but I do feel that, like, the Ipsy Ultimate boxes, they haven't been having stuff that I felt was getting a stamp of my approval for giving them my $50. As you guys know, I buy all my boxes, all of my subscription boxes I buy myself, so I want to make sure I'm spending my money on something that I'm really going to like. But lately, I've been feeling like Ipsy's been stepping it up on their Ultimate Glam bags. So I said, you know what? Hey, if you can't beat them, join them. So with that being said,
guess what I got? Guess what I got? Woo-hoo!
I have the Ipsy Ultimate Box, correction. So let me give you guys a sneak peek first of everything I got. So we get a lot for $50. This is like all of my goodies. Well, something to spell out, so I'll show you guys that first. So let's see. Let me just take this little thing out and let's dig into the box and see what I got. So this is the bag that they gave us for the month of June. And let's be honest, like, I'm sure this is probably no one's cup of tea. Like, I'm not here for it. It's a bag. I guess it's like with ladies at the beach and they're all just laying in different directions. But this is not for me. This is like, yeah, this is I don't know, like, I haven't, sometimes they do have a good bag here or there, but most of the times, these bags, honestly, is just, let me just change the subject. All right, so, the card they gave us, once again, doesn't tell us about the products. Ipsy, why do you guys keep doing that? We want to know what the box has. We want to know details about it. We want to know prices. Especially with the Ultimate, we're paying $50. We want to know how much everything is and their price value. But of course, there is no prices on here. It just tells you things that you can do for the summer. So this is the front, and then this is the back. So the back, it tells you save the date for 6/24. I guess where you can choose a product. All right, so that's this. And last month, they didn't give us the prices as well. So that is a little bummer. I actually do like when they give us the prices of everything. So, all right, so let's see here. Let's see. The first thing, let's see, some mystery. I try too much not to look at the spoilers, but like, if you have Ipsy, you have the app, and they tell you everything you're going to get before you get the box. So I kind of like do a quick scroll, but I don't like go too into it. And plus, I don't remember because I get so many subscription boxes, I forget anyway. So it's still a mystery and a surprise to me. So let me put my hand in here, and I grabbed my first thing. So the first thing I got is a Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Balm by Quiete. And I never know if I'm saying it right, if it's Quiete or Ciate. So sorry about that if I say the name wrong. It comes in a little stick like so. I do not like illuminating sticks, so I may just give this away. This is what it looks like. It's like white as pearlescence. I just feel like these don't look good on like my skin tone. Like they probably just show up ashy. Not probably, they do show up ashy on my skin tone. So I tend not to use these. So this is gonna go. I'm going to put this away for my future giveaway. So the good thing about this is, like, if I'm not using something, it's not going to waste. Like, it's not going to just sit here and, spoil. Like, I give my stuff away. So if I can't use it, at least you guys can use it. All right. So the next thing I got is a Dr. Brandt Pore No More Luminizing Primer. This is what the box looks like. And I actually got this in my FabFitFun was it my fall box or my spring box? I actually got this already, so I'm not going to open this. I'll save this for a giveaway. So the first two things are going for a giveaway because I already have one already that honestly, I think I used one since I got it, but not because I didn't like it, but because I have so much stuff. Like everybody's like, oh, I want to see like a video of your regimen that you do for like maybe your skincare or your makeup. And I'm like, I have no regimen because I have so much stuff every day. I just try to try different stuff. But I'm not going to open this because I already have one. And these are for the giveaway so far. But it was nice. It says Luminizer Primer. I didn't think it was bad. Oh, so this was, I got this for my, from the Charm Room. So if you guys are not familiar with the Ipsy Charm Room, if you do a review of everything that you get in your box, they give you charms, and when you get a certain amount of charms, you can get free stuff. So this was a free thing that I got from my Charm Room, which is the facial radiance pads. You get 10 pads in this. I wanted to try it. I saw it in a couple, it was in one of the boxes, but I didn't get it. So, hey, I got this for free with my charms, so I'm going to try that out and see how I like it. All right, let's see. The next thing I got is a Laura Geller Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water Prime Set Refresh. I love finishing sprays, or setting sprays, so I'm glad to try another one. You can never have too much finishing sprays. The next thing I got is a Morad Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It helps brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. So, I did get the Morad brightening serum in my Trend Mood box that I just recently received. I did a video on that, so if you guys want to see what I got in that box, I have a video up with that. But they did give us the serum to this. I don't really use sunscreens that much. I know I'm supposed to, but I really don't. A lot of sunscreens, I feel like on my skin tone, it gives kind of like an ash to my skin, which can make my makeup look ashy. So I don't really wear them too much unless I'm like at the beach or I'm going to be out at the park outside exposed to the sun. Most moisturizers or foundations have SPF in it. Most foundations have SPF 15 or 20 in it. So that's like the standard I need for every day anyway, unless I'm going to be out in the sun all day, which I'm never out in the sun all day anyway because I hate the heat. Even when I'm at the beach, I probably stay, you know, laying out in the sun for like 5 minutes and then I get antsy and I'm in the water. So I'm going to give this away in a giveaway. So majority of my box I'm giving away, but that's okay. That's okay. I still like some stuff in here. All right, so let's see. The next thing I got is a Perfect Repair Treatment Mask from Nature Lab. So I actually got, when I subscribed to Allure Beauty Box, if you do it for the whole year, they gave you a big bundle that was like, I want to say like a value of $250, and they gave me the cleanser. They gave me the shampoo and conditioner, and now I have the mask to this, to the hair mask. So now I can have the whole set to try. All right, let's see. The next thing I got is a Quiete London Wonder Wand Mascara. Oh, I have it upside down, of course. So, as you guys know, I have so much mascaras, so much liquid liners from doing subscription boxes. So, I never open any of my mascaras or liquid liners because the lifespan starts once you open them and mascaras dry out pretty fast. So, I'm going to wait until I'm done with my other mascaras and then I'll use them. But I love trying different mascaras, so definitely going to keep this. All right, so the next thing I got was the Huda Beauty, the Basic Beast Straight Edge Sponge Applicator, which looks like so. So I'm excited about that. Like, I like trying different beauty blenders. I love Beauty Blender, the original. I like the Real Technique beauty blender, and I use the e.l.f. one. The e.l.f. one is really nice as well. All right, so the next thing I got here is the Autobomb Pick Perfect Shadows on the Go. And I actually got one of their palettes in one of my other Ipsy subscription boxes. And, you know, I was surprised. The stuff was very pigmented. This is what the palette looks like. So neutral with a little pop of colors. Not really my color scheme, so this would be a giveaway. The next thing I got in here is the Il Makiage. This is a Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream made in Italy. So this is nice. I probably wouldn't wear this now, but for the fall, oh, I love the packaging. And it's heavy. It got some weight on here. Love the packaging on this. This is beautiful. Ooh. Ooh. Let me stop. I love this. I definitely will definitely be using this. All right. The next thing is I got a Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask by BioRace. Deep Cleanse, Tightens Pores, Sebum Control. So good for like oily skin. So excited to try this. The next thing I got, which, ooh, I'm so happy. I fell in love with Glow Recipe because of BoxyCharm. They give you so much Glow Recipe stuff. I do have the premium box, and I think in this box we're supposed to be getting an avocado sleeping mask. So I'm really excited for that. But my Glow Recipe collection is growing because of BoxyCharm. I have like the spray, I have the mask, I have the moisturizer, and now I get to try the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. So it says Makeup Erasing Deep Cleansing. I love that line. I really, really, really love this line. So I'm super excited to try this out. Yay! Very excited for that. All right, so the next thing I got is, I never know how to say this name. Is it Douche or Douche? I don't know. I think this is an indie brand, so all of the name brands that's like in Sephora and Ulta, I know them, but like when they're like indie brands, sometimes I don't know the names, so forgive me if I say the names wrong, but this is the palette that I got. So I got 2 eyeshadow palettes in this box. Yay! All right, let's see what this palette looks like. Love the packaging, nice and chic. All right, let's see here. Ooh, very nice. Very, very nice. Alrighty, hold on a second. So you get a highlighter. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, so 8 shades. The top are matte, and the bottom are like with a sheen. I like this palette. I will definitely use this palette. So I'm excited. So, and that is same time. I love what it says at the bottom of the box. It says same time next month. For $50, I don't know. No, let me stop. I'm gonna continue to get them. So overall, I did like everything in my box for the most part. There was a couple of things I wouldn't really use, but for the most part, I like a lot of stuff. I loved the cleanser I got. I love my palette. I love my liquid lipstick. I'm going to use my clay mask. The Huda Beauty sponge, I love. The mascara, I love. Well, I picked this. This was my choice that I got from my charm room. Love this. I love the spray. And then there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that most likely I'll just give away. So I'll save this in the bag. But then again, I really like the bags. But overall, I think for $50, let me think, for $50, was it worth it though? You definitely get your money's worth because this, I know the Dr. Brandt primer is expensive. So, and Murad is expensive. So you do get the value of the price you pay, but Was it worth my 50 for the day? I would say, I mean, I got my money's worth, but I didn't like the stuff that much that I would have spent 50 had I known what was in it. But obviously that's the whole point of mystery boxes. You don't know what's in them. You get what you get, and that's it. But I'm happy overall. I have a whole bunch of boxes that came in. I have boxes stacked up over here that I have to film for you guys. So I don't know if I'm going to film another one today after this, but you know, I love putting out content for you guys almost every day. So I try to film, right away as soon as I get my boxes, if time willing. So I hope you guys loved my first unboxing of Ipsy Ultimate. If you guys like Ipsy Ultimate unboxings, give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel, give me a thumbs up. If you just want to show me some love and support, give me some thumbs up. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I have the best subscribers. I hit 3 months. I'm super excited. So I guess this is the end of my video. It's always a sad part of my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you love unboxings like me. Join the Aisha family. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.